I've got that right. Yeah, it shrank again. Hello everybody, welcome to Insidious Nixies. I hope we're all well and happy. Well, tonight we've got an unpacking of 3 things. Yes, we have. We've got something special. Something that restored my faith in human beings again, to tell you the truth. I'd lost my faith about a year ago, and some just certain things that had happened to me, people putting bricks through the fence and saying, your fence is no good and it's a brand new fence, and just weird stuff. So when you get beautiful people that send their objects that you bidded on, you're very happy. Okay, here we go. We've got 3 clocks, and one of these clocks ain't like the other. Ain't like the other. Which one do you think it is? It's Monobox. Alright, look, what I'm going to do is quickly unpack my box right here. There we go, right here, right now. Oh, it's been raining in Perth, WA, guys, and we've been locked down for about 3 or 4 days because some lovely person came from the east with that naughty virus, but our Premier is really good. At the slightest mark of something, boom, we're locked down, guys, and we eradicate it, which is pretty good, actually. Alright, we'll just pull Monobox's beautiful clock out here, stick it in there, and we got 3 objects, 3 clocks. I'm going to do this in a 2-part series, guys. Just let me, oh, that's what it is. Hang on. Pete's behind the times. Oh, he's got light now. Let's focus it up. Is that high enough? I'm doing what you're saying, Greg. I'm going high and above it. Here we go. Now, one of the major things I want to talk about is, how did I get these 3 clocks? How did I get them at this price? It's because nobody else saw them. That's why. And we'll talk about that when I do them all. What I want to do is put Monoboxes away. That's for tomorrow. We're quickly going to open up Ovalies. Now, this is from, oh God, guys, this is one before I went into hospital. The 10th of the 11th, 2020. I think that's been waiting long enough. Here we go. And thank you very much. Here he is. Oh, no, I'm not going to, oh, my hand's in front of it. There we go. Focus. Are we going to do it? Ovally, can you see that? I hope you can. Anyway, that's what I got it for. $50 US. He's a lovely bloke. I bought tubes and everything off him. They're in the mail bag. Okay. Knack. Don't know what that is. This Russian customs, guys? I'm curious. I'd like to know. Alright, where's the box top? Oh, we're probably opening it from the bottom, but who cares? Be quick, Pete. Come on, people. You bored them to death for 20 minutes last time. Alright, don't worry, guys, I'll learn to edit soon. Next year's going to be a different year. But I've just had so many nice people do the right thing, it is unbelievable. Now, these clocks I bidded on, and I actually got them at the starting bidding price. And we'll talk about, well... See, I get embarrassed getting at a cheap price, but I understand that the people put them out there to sell, and, I know how business works. You might have a good month, and, Jesus, is there enough stamps on that? Notice the packing? Beautiful. Oh, you can't get any more double box than that. Thank you, Overly. You're bloody good, mate. Jesus, I didn't expect that. All right. So sorry for taking so long. We're in focus, guys. Thank you, MTV. I didn't know that you'd given me a complete extra set. Alrighty, what have we got in here? Shall I give you a spoiler alert and tell you what it is? No. There's one clock that I don't have, actually. And what I want to do, I want to quickly build this. This is a kit. Quickly build this one. And the same with the other one next. Come over here. Be kind to us. Didn't I open that properly, guys? Oh, it's glued. You glued it as well. Well done, mate. Or am I opening it at the wrong? Yep. He's glued the bottom for extra strength. Oh, he didn't. That's how the box was made. He's just put bloody sticky tape on it to make sure. And a useless Peter can't even open up. Come on, Peter, get your act together. Here we go, guys. Here's the kit. It's an N17 kit. There we go. That's the instructions. I think that's the boards and everything in there. We'll just beautifully boxed, mate. You got any goodies in here? Yes, we have. Here we go. Now, that was the N17 kit. Beautiful. I'll just open up his boards here. Very well packed, sir. Very well packed, overly. Here we go. And that's what I liked about it. All the SMDs were all soldered on it, guys. He's sort of done all that work for you. Beautiful. Beautiful. Battery. And it's my favourite N17. So I haven't got an N17 clock. Should be built like that. Okay, keep them now. I'll put them back in your beautiful packaging. Well, you'll see all that put together, but as you can see, they're all push through bits that he's left for you to solder up, and that's quite in Peter's capability. Love the way you pack the oh, they fell out the end, mate, sorry. Got to put some tape at the end, but after a year it's well that it's here. All right, hurry up, Pete. All right, quick look at these instructions so people can understand what he gets. Now that's OV, come on Pete, have another look. OVL71, and he's got some good stuff there, I'm telling you guys. Yeah, this is an N17 tube, a do-it-yourself kit, 24 LBG, decorative Nixie light, 24 LDDs on 4 of them. So how many are you stuck on there, mate? Jesus. Oh, it's got one of those transformers. I hope that's a long-lasting one. That's my only vice about this beautiful clock here, is that, it doesn't last long when the 240 power goes off. Oh, that looks nice. Thank you for printing it out that people can read it. Some people, see, remember the other day I was talking about? Anyway. Oh, you got everything there, haven't you, sir? That's very well done, Novi. Ovi, LED backlight. It's run by PIC 12. F629. Yeah, so anyway, guys, good instructions, sir. That's all you need. That's all I need. All right, give me something to do. Beautiful. Now, I bought some other things off him, and I think it was an N18 and some tubes that I was very lucky to get for $10 each for the Carlson clock rescue. Yes, this is... Oh, you put them in here. Okay, mate. Fully understood. Oh, no. Oh, no, sorry. There they are. 6 of them. Beautiful. Oh, I didn't realise this was... the domes were in the same package, mate. Have a look at these, guys. These are brilliant. Look at that. Originals. And I've already ruined the box. Anyway, I'm going to use them, so... Lovely. Thank you so much, Oakley. That's brilliant. And you can't get any newer than that, can you, guys? Oh, she's lovely. Alright, and they are the domes. LC351. Oh, Joe Morpheus got some brilliant bloody 1020s and, you know, oh, God, what's the other name? G4. Oh, come on, Pete. They're about $15 each. So look up Joe Morphea. He's one of our brothers. Yeah, look at them guys, 6 of them. They're going straight into the Carlson clock. They go there. Oh, I stole something from an old people's home the other day, and I don't feel guilty at all. It was a stainless steel rack with about 12 of these sitting in there. All right, that goes in the Carlson clock rescue. I've got 2 other lots of brand new bulbs, so we can try all the types in the Carlson clock. All right. Oh, there goes Yuri's ringer. I love your clock, honey. It's a rock. Congratulations on selling your first N18. Oh, you probably saw it once before. I noticed that lasted about 3 days, darling. That's really well done. All right, quickly open this up. How many minutes have I been, please? Can I see it at the top? No, am I in focus? All right, hurry up, Peter. Otherwise you'll bore people. So that's the kit. That will be made up. I'll show both these clocks and then we'll do mono boxes. But the main reason I'm going on about these, and these people have restored my faith in people again, is because they honoured what they were. I was amazed that they were sold at these prices. Nobody saw them. That's what happened with eBay. But I'll talk... Oh, look. Mate. Pablo. Beautiful packaging, sir. Beautiful packaging. Oh. Nixie tubes made in Ukraine by N&D Lab. Quick menu to quickly get in. Oh, hey, have a look at that, will you? Pavlo asked me what purpose I had. Sorry, back to Overly. I bought a couple of dud N18s off him for my fixture of all the different bulbs, so we can just quickly look as a reference. All right, we'll just sit in there. Thank you, Overly. You're a brilliant bloke. In fact, I think one of them was worth repairing. He said, oh, God, they're brand new, mate. Oh, I must have killed you to bloody see that they weren't working. Look, they're brand new. Oh, hang on. You guys get a much better picture than I do. I'm telling you now, when I look on my big TV. I watch YouTube on my TV, guys. As you all have got our remotes, we just go home, click on YouTube. I know you can't interact, but you should enter my Nixie competition. Have a look at this. Here we go, guys. Oh, Jesus, that's a decent transformer, mate. Is that a quick charge? Mate, you're a Rockefeller. Thank you very much, sir. Beautiful cable. Lovely and thick. Oh, God, I'm going to use that on my test lab. That's brilliant. God, your stock's just gone up, Pavlo. See, this is another clock I was embarrassed getting it. I know, Pavlo, but it's going to go to my subscribers, so trust me, mate. I will pass on your goodness to other people. Here we go, guys. Here it is. Have a look at this. You won't believe that I got this. Nobody bidded on this beautiful... Look at it! Oh, mate. Oh, Jesus, I was thinking about selling that. At the same price to give it... No, I'm falling in love with that, to tell you the truth. Mate, that's brilliant. That's really well made. I didn't think it was this nice, mate. Seriously. Oh, battery. Oh, God. Oh, let's turn it on. Oh, I didn't know that was hiding in me bloody cupboard there, guys. This is 9 volt. I hope it's okay. I'm going to pull the 12E off this. Sorry, honey. Don't get upset. Crank this beautiful thing straight. Oh, look at the power thing. God, mate. And I love the idea of the, what do you call those things? It's on the tip of my tongue. It's a mini. Anyway. Pete's got the wrong plug. Is he going to embarrass himself here? Yep. Oh, it's you speak. Sorry, mate. Sorry. I was just trying to blow up his bloody Nixie clock in front of everybody on the internet. What a moron. I'm trying to feed it 9 volts and it's supposed to be 12. Oh, how embarrassing. Anyway, that's why I'm a mechanic. I'm a novice and I'm a hobbyist. Sorry, Pablo. Nearly destroyed your beautiful clock in front of everybody. And you've even got a boost. There we go. Look at that, guys. Oh, she's lovely, mate. Lovely. Very well done. All right, guys. I'll leave that as is. Next couple of days, I'll quickly throw this kit together so we can say both of them together. You might not get your hands on that. Geez, I really like that. That's nice. Yum, yum. All right, guys, the quickies. Thank you very much. Greg, that's what I was talking about, the wooden box with that little N14. When it's closed, that was $5. I told you about Peter Jensen's beautiful N14 clock. The Arc, I forget what it is. It's about $330. It's a bargain, guys, for a machined aluminium clock, 6 N14s. Peter Jensen, USA. Have a look at this clock. BJ, Video, Faradoni, Joma. We'll talk about it next time. Bushman, 240. I can write something. Oh, God knows. Thanks, guys, for putting up with me. Another Insidious Nixies quick undoing. Jeez, that's beautiful, mate. For the price. You know, I got it for the price of the bulbs. That's why. Thank you, sir. You're a very honourable person for sending it. Remember, guys, enter my Nixie competition. Please. I've got 6 people. I only need 4 more and I can draw it. I need to draw it in the next couple of weeks. What a beautiful clock. Hey, how would you like to own that? She's a ripper, guys. I don't mind. You can sell it, swap it, pirate. enter for this clock. If you win it, mate, I'll swap you for 6 ZM1000s. Brand new from French. That should tempt him, guys. Anyway, be happy. Enter my Nixie competition. All you have to do is put a thumbs up in the messages, you know, whatever, or at hallpet45 at Hotmail. And I'll just put your initial on a coin and you're in it. All right, thanks, guys. Appreciate it. That's it. Be happy.